In this session, I will show you how to define different levels of education that are used in the Payroll and Human Resources module. The program that is used to define education codes is under Maintenance's pull-down menu, and it's called Education Codes. This program is used to define the different levels of education that are used by the company in their Payroll and Human Resources module. It requires three fields: the education code, the description of the level of education, and the short abbreviation for this level of education. Let's start by querying if there are any education codes that are already defined in the system. So we go and click on the execute query button or enter query button, and then we execute query. By doing that, we display all the existing or all the education codes that are already defined in the Payroll and Human Resources module. For this example, CD, this code has been used to define college diploma level of education. CD is the education code, and this is the description, and this is the short abbreviation for this level of education. To define a new one, you would have to go to the first empty row on the screen, and you enter all the required fields. So for this exercise, we're going to define doctorate. So I would use DR as the education code to define this level of education. So I would go to this field and put the education code DR, and then I would go to the description and give the description for this level of education. So I would put doctorate, and then I would provide the short abbreviation for this level of education. I would put PhD for this one. And after I have defined all those three fields, these are required information, I would save this information to the database. So I would click on the Save Changes taskbar or toolbar. It says transaction complete, one records applied and saved, meaning to say that we have successfully added this level of education to the database. Where do we use this education code? This education code or level of education is used when you're defining job titles for the company. And to show you where this one is used, we go to the job title maintenance. So we exit out from this program. And again, this program is under the maintenance's pull down menu, and it's called job titles. Here, this field, this minimum required of education, this is where these codes are used. This concludes our tutorial on how to define education codes in the Payroll or Human Resources module.